In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an emo ringtone as a caller tune. If you want people to hear a specific tune when they call you on emo, the good news is that the setup is usually quick and simple. I'll walk you through the full process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. First, open the emo app on your device. Make sure you're signed in and that the app has fully loaded before moving on. This helps avoid missing any menu options or settings while you're navigating. Once you're inside the app, go to the Me section or your profile area. Depending on the version of the app you're using, the wording may be slightly different, but it usually takes you to your personal account settings and customization options. This is where Emo places features related to your profile and preferences. After that, tap Settings. This section gives you access to different controls for your account, app behavior, and extra features. Take a moment to look carefully because the layout can vary a little depending on your phone or app version. Inside Settings, tap Function. This is where you'll find additional tools and optional features that go beyond the basic chat and calling settings. If you don't immediately see it, scroll slightly and check the available menu items until you find it. Next, select Caller Tune. This is the feature that lets you choose what other people hear when they place a call to you. Once you open it, you should see a list of available tunes. Now choose a caller tune from the list. You can preview different options if that's available, which is helpful if you want to make sure the tune matches the style or mood you want. In some versions of Emo, you may also have the option to upload local music from your device. If that option appears, you can select a song or audio file stored on your phone instead of using one of the built-in choices. When you've made your selection, tap Use, Save, or a similar confirmation button. This final step applies the caller tune to your account. Be sure to wait a moment for the change to process, especially if the app needs to upload or update the setting online. Once it's saved, your callers will hear the selected tune when they call you through Emo. If it doesn't update right away, try reopening the feature and confirming that your chosen tune is still selected. And that's it. You've successfully set an Emo ringtone as your caller tune.